Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we've got another E30 DIY. I know there's been a lot of E30 videos, but the car needs a lot of work, so we're gonna keep going on it. Today we're installing Lamin-X protective films over the headlights and fog lights since they're brand new. And the front of an E30 is very flat, which means they get pitted very easily. So we're gonna be putting some protective film on them just to kind of keep them nice and clean. Super simple install. It's just like clear bra basically. So yeah, we'll get started on that. Let's see what's in the package first. All right, now when you order it, you get a box like so. There is an optional install kit. It comes with like a razor blade and a water bottle for squeegeeing. And then you have the actual film itself. These are pre-cut, which is why Lamin-X is really nice, is they're pre-cut to the shape of your headlights, so which makes install even easier. These are the colors it's available in. So I got clear just because the headlights are already blacked out and the fogs are yellow, so there's no point in doing colored. But they're available in clear, yellow, blue, tint, and gun smoke. Now I have the tint on the 335. I've had it on there for probably 2 years, and I'll put in a clip of what they look like now, but they're still brand new looking, no issues from 2 years, so they last and they work well. First step, what you're gonna wanna do is we're gonna need to clean the headlights off. Now, most people keep their cars washed, but it's supposed to snow here tomorrow, so I'm just gonna wipe them down. If you have an E30, I'm guessing the easiest way to do this, which I haven't done on E30 yet, is to remove this grill, which is basically just a screw here and a screw here, and then there's one on the top. There's like clips up there, but we're gonna pull those grills out and then wipe the lights down, and then we'll get started installing. All right, grills are out, lights are clean. Like the fog's down, lights over here. This is what comes in the pre-cut kit. Now they make pre-cut kits for like thousands of cars, so chances are they have your car. So we got the headlights for those. And then up here, we've got fog lights. They're pre-cut to almost the exact size that you need. They're a little bigger. And then in the kit, you get your tiny spray bottle for squeegeeing, and then they give you a squeegee, and then you get this razor blade for cutting off excess. So, first thing we're gonna do is cut this, not cut it. So, see, it's almost the exact size that you need. So just peel the backing off, stick it on, and then we'll spray some water on it and squeegee all the air out. If you can, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but these are already chipped and they're not even that old. So this is definitely important if you want to keep your nice expensive lights looking new. So we'll get started on this and see how it goes. Okay, first one's in. That's all it takes is about 2, maybe 3 minutes. There are little tiny air bubbles, but they will work themselves out over time, or you can use a needle and poke the hole and then the air will come out. But yeah, super easy. Just center them, stick them on. E30 headlights are a little cheap because they're basically just circles. So then all you're gonna do is cut these little mounting tabs. So these are like your holding tabs to put them on. And then you're just gonna cut those off and you're good. And we'll get started on the rest of these. We got a few more to go. And then we'll do the fogs. The headlights all done. That was honestly really fast. It only took like 10 minutes. Granted, they're really easy headlights, but still it's pretty easy install. They're in. Can't even tell they're on there except for the air bubbles that still have to dissipate, but it's super easy. Just center it up, stick it on, and you know, I think I paid 30 bucks for these for the full set, and you know, it'll save your couple $100 headlights from, you know, getting chipped up and having to replace them. Now we're gonna jump down here to the fogs. These might be a smidge trickier, so we'll try these out and see how they go. Alright, you guys, got the fog lights put on. There's a little more air bubbles in this one, but I'll get them out. If you use a heat gun too, it'll get rid of the air bubbles, or yeah, just use a heat gun and some needles, and you can generally get them really flat, or they'll go flat over time. All the air bubbles will work themselves out with heat and whatnot. Pretty easy. I think it took me 20 minutes to do all of the lights. Yeah, super simple. So I'm gonna put the grills back in, put the car back together, and then we're done. All right, you guys, that about sums it up. Nothing very too difficult. 20-30 minutes of your time, kind of depending on how complex and curved your headlights are. These are super simple, so it was obviously very quick. 30 bucks. Lamin-X has sales on their website all the time. I picked these up when they were having like a 20% off sale, so I think I paid like 30 bucks. Definitely worth it in my opinion. the $30 you spend now saves you $400 or $500 or whatever it costs to replace your headlights down the road when they're pitted and destroyed. The clear film, you can't even tell it's on there. Well, you know, when the bubbles go away, you won't even be able to tell it's on there. But, and then they offer all their different colors. The smoke looks really good. The tinted looks really good. Those are the two I've seen in person. Yeah, easy install. I'll put the link in the description, or the website link if you want to go check it out. They offer thousands of different cars. Kits for cars. They also sell just sheets if you want to cut it out yourself, but the pre-cuts are just stupid easy to use. Yeah, I think that's about it. If you found the video useful, leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Will definitely be more DIY E30s coming up. I got a few that I have to do, so those will be coming out, and then hopefully more 335 videos. Thanks.